Today I want to present part A, question 1. On 16 April 2016, I now deposit RM 7,500 into a saving account at 6% compound every 2 months. Find the amount accumulated on 16 October 2019 if the rate was changed to 8% compound quarterly beginning 16 April 2018. The timeline 16 April 2016 until 16 April 2018, 2 years. 16 April 2018 until 16 October 2019, 3.5 years. P equals to RM 7,500, K equals to 6%, M equals to 6, I equals to 0.06 over 6. N equals to 6 times 2 equals to 12. For 16 April 2018, K equals to 8%, M equals to 4, I equals to 0.08 over 4. The formula used is S equals to P, 1 plus I, power of N. The solution is S equals to RM 7,500, 1 times 1 plus 0.06 over 6, power of 12. The answer is RM 8,451.90. S equals to RM 8,451.19 times 1 plus 0.08 over 4, power of 6. And then the final answer is S equals to RM 9,570.41.
I will discuss question 2 part A, which is about choosing the better bank for investment and calculating the final amount of the sum withdrawal. Mr. Daniel wants to invest 58,000 ringgit for 3 years, and he has two choices, which is Alpha Bank and Omega Bank. For Alpha Bank, the interest rate is 4.35% and compounded every 4 months. So we know the K is 0.0435 and the M is 3. For Omega Bank, the interest rate is 4.5% and compounded every month. So we know the K is 0.045 and the M is 12. In this case, I'm using the compound interest formula. We need to find the S. S is stand for the final amount of the money after the investment grow. First, we need to identify the information. After that, we need to fulfill the information into the formula. For both, we know the P is 58,000 ringgit and P stands for principal. When we calculate the amount of 3 years, for Alpha Bank, the value becomes 66,023 and 18 cents ringgit. For Omega Bank, the value becomes 66,366 ringgit and 37 cents. So that means Mr. Daniel should invest in Omega Bank because it gives better return. Okay, for question 2 part B, we are continuing with the bank we chose earlier, which is Omega Bank. The interest rate stays the same at 4.5% and compounded monthly. At first, we need to find the amount after 4 years. We still use the same formula and change the time to 4 years. So, the investment grew to about 69,415 ringgit and 23 cents. After that, Mr. Daniel withdrew 15,000 ringgit after 4 years. So, that means the new balance is 54,415 ringgit and 33 cents. Not just that, after we got the balance, that means we got the amount of pay. So, we need to change the time to 2 years because he has 2 years left to complete the investment period. So, after calculate all, we find that the amount left in the account is 59,529 ringgit and 72 cents.
Part B, question 1. A local university is planning to launch a scholarship initiative to support high achieving students for the next 10 years. To ensure the sustainability of this program, the university plans to deposit a sum of money into an investment fund that will finance the scholarship payout. The fund will earn interest at 3.8% per annum, compound half yearly. A. How much money is required for the university to deposit now so that the fund can provide scholarship payment of RM 5,500 every 6 months for the next 10 years? The formula used is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n divided by I. So put out the information. K equals to 3.8%, M equals to 2, T equals to 10 years, R equals to RM 5,500, I equals to 0.038 over 2 equals 0.019, N equals to 2 times 10 equals 20. The solution is A equals to RM 5,500 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.019 power of negative 2 over 0.019. And then calculate all in the bracket, can get 16.51033328, and the answer times with 5,500. So the final answer going to be RM 90806.83. Next, question B. The bursary department of the university, however, prefer to accumulate the required amount in A gradually. They plan to build the scholarship fund over the next 4 years by making equal monthly deposit. If the investment account earns 2.5% per annum, compound monthly, how much money must be deposited at the end of each month to reach the required amount? The formula used is S equals to R times 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. And then put out the information. K equals to 2.5%, M equals to 12, T equals to 4 years, I equals to 0.025 over 12 equals 1 over 480. N equals to 12 times 4 equals to 48. And then the solution is RM 90,806.83 cent equals to R times 1 plus 1 over 480 power of 48 minus 1 over 1 over 480. And then calculate the amount in bracket. You will get 50.42686163, and then RM 90,860.83 cent equals to R times 50.42686163. And then to find R, RM 90,806.83 cent divided by 50.42686163, and then the final answer you will get RM 1,800.76 cent.
I will explain for part B, question 2. For this question, we are told that Mr. Adi bought a gaming PC for 29,550 ringgit. He then paid 50% as a down payment and borrowed the rest from the bank. The bank charged 6.7% interest per year, compound monthly, and the loan must be repaid over 5 years. First of all, for question A, the question is calculate the monthly installment that Mr. Adi must pay to settle the loan fully. Then calculate the total interest he will pay over the entire loan period. So basically, we need to find the loan principal after the 30% down payment. The balance of bank loan is 70% of the price. That is 70% loan principal multiplied by 29,550 ringgit equal 20,685 ringgit. Next, the annual interest rate given is 6.7%. We must convert the percentage into a decimal first. So 6.7% becomes 0.067. For M, we use 12 since the interest is compound monthly. The 0.067 divided by 12 to get the monthly interest rate, which is I. The loan term is 5 years. The total number of monthly payments will be N equal to 5 multiple 12 equals to 60. Now we move to the formula. We should use present value of annuity formula, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative and divided by I close bracket, because the keyword is settle the loan. Based on the question, we need to find R, which represent the monthly payment Mr. Adi has to pay. Then we put the value into the formula and solve the bracket part first. So we get 20,685 equal to 50.8647927 R. Then R equal to 20,685 divide to 50.8647927. Then we get our 106 ringgit and 67 cent for R. Next, we need to find the total interest that Mr. Adi will pay over the entire loan period. The formula we use is I equal to open bracket R multiple N close bracket minus A. Now we substitute the value into the formula. I equals open bracket 406.67 multiple 60 close bracket minus 20,685. The final answer we will get is I equal to 3,715 ringgit 20 cents. Next, let's look at question B. After several months of inconsistent tournament earnings, Mr. Ade struggled to make payment. He then received a notice from the bank stating that the total outstanding arrears of 2,819 ringgit 82 cents include the accumulated interest. How many monthly payment has he missed? In this question, we are asked to find monthly payment that Mr. Ade has missed. So, N is what we need to find. We use future value of annuity formula, so S, which is the total arrears, equal to 2,819 ringgit 82 cents, and R, the monthly installment, equals to 406 ringgit 67 cents. Then we substitute the value into the formula. 2,894.82 equal 406.67 open bracket in 1 plus 0.067 over 12 bracket the power of n minus 1 divided by 0.067 over 12 close bracket. Then 2,894.82 divided by 406.67 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.067 over 12 close bracket to the power of n minus 1 divided by 0.067 over 12. Then 2,894.82 open bracket 0.067 over 12 close bracket divided by 406.67 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.067 over 12 close bracket to the power of n minus 1. Next step is we move the minus 1 to the front and we rewrite it starting with 1 plus 2,894.82 open bracket 0.067 over 12 close bracket divided by 406.67 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.067 divided 12 close bracket to the power of n. And the answer is 1.039744129 equals 1.005583333 to the power of n. We must apply the log to the both sides like n equals log open bracket 1.039744129 close bracket divided by log open bracket 1.005583333 close bracket. By doing this, we can calculate the value of n using calculator easily. So the final answer is n equals to 7. To sum up, Mr. Ade has missed 7 monthly payments.